I just listened to an interview where someone said that you can't hack the system. I totally disagree. There's basically what works and what doesn't work. And when you're starting off in YouTube, it can be super tricky. Everyone wants to sell you something. I want to sell you something too. I want to sell you my coaching. But before, I'm going to give you one of those hacks that's going to work. It's going to get you to your first 1,000 subscribers fast as possible. If you do exactly everything I tell you to do, you will get 1,000 subscribers super fast, probably within a couple months. All organically. No nonsense, no paying for views, no paying for subscribers, no nonsense at all. Number one, post a short every single day at 11 o'clock. The short should be 8 to 12 seconds long. You should research your niche. Go onto YouTube, search whatever niche it is, find the videos that are doing well, the other shorts, go into the filter out this year, filter out for views, and you'll see which videos are having the most views in your niche.
I'm going to show you right now how to do that. So let's say you're looking for food content. You put in food, or you could put in snacks, or you put in whatever you're looking for that's related to food. You hit search. Now you're going to go here to the filters. You're going to go to view count. Then you're going to go to under 4 minutes because you're looking for shorts. And then you're going to go to this year or this month. Say this year. Now it filters it all out, and look at that. There we go, shorts. Can we use the title Cactus Turned into Delicious Breakfast? Probably not. But I'm never eating these again, right? So you could use this title and then make your own version of this, except that yours is going to be 8 to 12 seconds long. So that's exactly how you do it. Regardless of whatever niche you're in, you can do this for any niche.
Then you're going to take the titles that you could use. If there's any titles in there in those top videos, you just take that exact title and you make a video using that title. That title already worked. And one of the most important things on YouTube is titles. Literally, you title a video something wrong and it could cost you all your views. So just take what already works, create a short every single day at 11 o'clock. If one of those shorts gets a 1 out of 10, then you're going to leave it alone for a day. So you're not going to post a short the next day. Every now and then you can make up your own titles. If you make up your own titles, you're going to have up to 3 hashtags in your title. The first one is going to be shorts. The next one is going to be something in your niche. You want it to be the biggest thing in your niche. So if you're doing stuff about food, you want it to be big, like food. You don't want it to be tomato. You want it to be, when you start typing the hashtag, you'll see how many people have used it. You want something with over 1 million views. Hashtag shorts, hashtag something in your niche. You add those 2 hashtags, and if it's something that could potentially be viral, you want everything to kind of be potentially viral. If you can do something fun, witty, funny, emotional, triggering, add the hashtag viral to that. Shorts, your niche hashtag, and then viral, only if it's something that you believe has the potential to be viral. So you'll be doing this every day at 11 o'clock, post that short. You're going to do this till you have 50 subscribers. You should be able to get 50 subscribers really quickly. As soon as you have 50 subscribers, you're going to be able to start live streaming. And right now, YouTube is pushing live streamers the same that they're doing shorts. Every day you do your short, you have an opportunity for that short to go off. But when you start streaming, YouTube is going to put your stream in the same shelf as the shorts, allowing tons of people to discover you. You could be on Twitch 4 days straight and get 2 followers. I literally just did this with one of my other channels. I streamed 4 days straight and I got almost 1,000 subscribers in 4 days. But you don't have to do that. And streaming, it can be a whole beast in itself. But if you want to be able to get monetized super quickly and get your first 1,000 subscribers, you're going to post a short every day until you have your 50 subscribers. Then you're going to start live streaming every morning or night. Lots of the time, morning or night does better because people are like around for 2 hours. Anything that you would do that people would find interesting. Let's say you do yoga in the morning or you work out in the morning. Do your little workout. Let's say you're doing YouTube research. You can do YouTube research for a couple hours. Anything that you would do every day that you can share with your audience, that you can somehow interact with them and meet new people, that's going to be the most powerful way for you to build your audience and actually have people that are around that are interested in you. Not half an hour. You have to do like 2 hours. There's something about streaming for 2 hours. The YouTube algorithm likes that. Other people are putting all these effort into making really, really nice 10-minute videos or whatever, you're gonna stream for 2 hours. If people come and start hanging out with you, there's so much more view time potential, and YouTube likes that. That's what YouTube wants. It wants people to be on the platform as long as possible. I'll literally build my channel quicker doing nothing on stream, just hanging out, doing the dishes, doing chores. You can use these 2 hours as you time to do the things that are gonna help you progress. Just progress yourself for 2 hours, and during that time you're going to pick up some friends, you're going to meet some people, they'll start wanting to hang out with you, and that's how you build your community. And if you're not willing to do that, just give up right now. It's so different than it was before. Before, you could get away with anything. But now, you're not alone. Everybody wants to be a YouTuber. So if you're not willing to stream a couple hours a day, if you're not willing to post a short once a day, then forget it. But if you're willing to do that, I promise you, you're gonna get your 1,000 subscribers fast, you're gonna get monetized, and then you're gonna say, I did it. You're gonna say that on this video. I'm gonna send you a link to my Discord. We can connect. I can help you get to the next level. I can personally help you, work with you one-on-one, help you build your channel, and I do that kind of consulting with people for $100 an hour. That's a really good price compared to what lots of people are charging. So if you wanna even do that earlier, contact me. Later on, it's gonna be group sessions. I won't be able to give that much time to a single person. But right now, I got the time, so I can give you the training. But first, go do it. You'll see it works. I promise you. I helped my buddy go from 1,000 subscribers to 7,000 subscribers in less than a year, get monetized. I got 3 monetized channels. This channel is just basically for fun. It's my daily vlog, but I wanted to share that with you, to anyone that's looking for that information, is sick and tired of being told to use VidIQ, to use TubeBuddy, to use all these paid services. Just do what I told you. You'll get your 1,000 subscribers and you'll be able to be monetized. And then as appreciation for that, come back and get me to train you a bit more.